In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable location in Chrome. If a website needs to know where you are for things like maps, local search results, delivery options, or nearby services, Chrome needs permission to access your location. The good news is that turning this on only takes a moment, and I'll walk you through it clearly so it's easy to follow. Start by opening the Chrome app on your device. Make sure you're in the browser itself and not just looking at a web page preview from another app. Once Chrome is open, look near the address bar for the three-dot menu. Tap those three dots to open Chrome's main options, then tap Settings. This is where you can manage the browser's permissions and behavior. After you're in Settings, scroll until you find the section labeled Advanced or Site and App Settings. The wording can vary a little depending on your device or Chrome version, so don't worry if it looks slightly different. What you're looking for is Site Settings. Go ahead and tap that. This area controls what websites are allowed to do in Chrome, including access to your camera, microphone, notifications, and of course your location. Next, find and tap Location. Inside this menu, you should see a switch or toggle. Turn that switch to the on position. Once it's enabled, Chrome will be allowed to ask for location access when a website needs it. This doesn't always mean every site gets your location automatically. In many cases, Chrome will still prompt you so you can choose whether to allow or block access for each individual website, which gives you a little more control over your privacy. If the setting is already turned on, but a website still can't detect your location, it may help to refresh the page and try again. Also, keep in mind that your device itself may have a separate location setting that needs to be enabled for Chrome to work properly. So if a site still isn't getting your location, check your phone or tablet system location permissions as well. And that's it. You've now enabled location in Chrome. Once this setting is on, websites that rely on your location should be able to request access and work more smoothly. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get Chrome set up the way you need.